Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is a pre-Thanksgiving ultimate clean with me. We are hosting Thanksgiving, so I really needed to get my house in order. I still have a lot more cleaning to do, but this certainly was a head start for me. So I'm hoping to pass on that inspiration and this motivation to you guys. Even if you're not hosting Thanksgiving or if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I still think this is a good excuse to clean your house. So I'm just giving my house a good once over today. I'm starting in the dining room, which is what you're watching right now. And then from there, I am going to move into my kitchen. You will see my little one popping in and out. She helped me mop the vacuum and mop the kitchen floor. So you'll see her helping throughout this video.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fools gold. Yes, I did.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil.
So next up, I'm moving into my bathroom, and you guys know that I very rarely show my bathroom on my channel. I absolutely just despise my bathroom, and it's really gross, and it actually really needs to be renovated. Like, there's a lot of like major issues with our bathroom. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't show it on camera that much just because I really just don't want to deal with it, and I hate that room so much. But you know, when you are hosting a family get together, it is important to have a clean bathroom. So I'm not doing anything crazy in here. I am just gonna give it like a good once over, just kind of the bare minimum, and then from there I am going into my living room, which I will just kind of tidy up and vacuum in there, and again just give the room a good once over.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face, but what can 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive. And this can be the end. I won't just settle for being your friend. Our broken bond is not too late to mend. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. She said, boy, I want you to walk right, so I can give you one more chance. You're only living in your damn head. Without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. Without you by my side, yeah. 'Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
So now that pretty much all the main living areas are done, I'm going to move into my entryway, which is what you are seeing right here. Those doors are my front doors. And I have to be honest with you guys, this is one of like my major goals for 2019 is to completely kind of redo this small space. I actually want to paint the entryway and I want to paint the doors and get rid of all that dark wood. And I just feel like this is a super, super like dingy part in my house, and that makes me really upset because this is your entryway, right? Like this is your first impression, and when you walk into your home, like this is the first thing you see. It should make you happy, right? Like that's my feeling on it. So 2019, I definitely am going to spend some money, spend some time, and like redecorate and just like give my entryway some good TLC. I really think it needs it. But that actually wraps up the video, guys. All I'm going to do from here is I'm going to put on a wash, and then I'm going to go into my bedroom and make my bed and fold a basket of laundry. Like I said, this was just a head start for me. I still have a lot of cleaning to do, and laundry is number one on my list. I easily have like 5 more baskets of laundry that I need to fold. So that is definitely going to be a priority. But that wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you motivation to get your houses in order. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season as it kicks off as much as I am. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, that's okay. I hope you guys are doing well. I'll have the playlist linked down in my description box and also at the end of this video containing all of my holiday season 2018 videos. So all my cleaning videos, all my shopping videos if you're interested. So I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.